Well, today we had really an open house for the media. We celebrated actually the 1-year anniversary of our last site installation. We just finished tours showing off the Operations Center. It's important for people to understand exactly what they have available, what they've paid for through their tax dollars, and what a tremendous resource is now available to the entire general public.
With weather, data is the key. We always want more and more data. With this network of stations and the proximity that they are, and it's centered right here, it really does allow us to look in depth as to what the weather is going on at different locations. It's just an invaluable tool for us as meteorologists to have this window on all these different locations.
The University of Albany has the expertise across a lot of different spectrums that make something like this possible, because we have instrumentation experts, we have climate experts, we have weather forecast experts, and you need all of that together in one place in order to make something like this work. We're just now getting to the point of really developing these partnerships where you're going to see the impact of the data start to really improve the decision making.